See a quick overview video of the Whirlpool French door trio refrigerator. There's your ice and water dispenser. That's where the handles go in. Like I said, handles are included. There's a little ding here on the side I wanted to point out. And then the one on the bottom I was referring to. Hard to see unless we get the light just right. There you go, right there. You can see it bend with the light. Let this focus for you. There you go, you can see it down there bending with the light. And kick plate is included. Here's your interior. Model serial number. No water, no water filter due for sanitary purposes. We cannot provide that. And your freezer. If you have any further questions, please let me know. Thank you so much.